Doesn't work, we think. Doesn't work, we think. Or maybe one of them works. But isn't that convenient? Right there on the 90. Oh, very nice.
Which one's older?
Probably that, based on the look of it.
So then, if that was there, they end up using the other one first. They put that in later?
I don't know, man.
Yeah, that one does look older.
That one looks open. We don't have any cold water. That's the issue here. And when you turn that on, you can hear it. All right. All right. So this isn't such a big deal. Snip it. I'm gonna need to get a street 90 out of the truck, but yeah, this won't be an issue. Nothing prettier than a Propress job, I tell you. Beautiful. Water's back on. Now we have cold water. Nice. Where's the old...